Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Over the last years, fuel stations have evolved to provide more than just fuel, and that's a good thing. Since 2020, gas stations with convenience stores have faced headwinds due to fluctuating fuel prices and events like 2020 health crisis, supply chain disruption, inflation, and higher interest rates. With that said, the industry remains resilient as it shifts to more stable and predictable revenue sources from convenience store sales. Thanks to a broader revenue mix, North American service stations is projected to grow from 12.6 billion in 2023 to 20.44 billion in 2031. And that's expanding at a compounded annual growth rate of 7.15%. One company that is expected to take advantage of this substantial growth is CrossAmerica Partners LP. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol CAPL. John, what can you tell us about this company?
Thanks. CrossAmerica Partners LP is a leading U.S. wholesale distributor of motor fuels, operator of convenience stores, and owner and lessee of real estate used in the retail distribution of motor fuels. It has a geographic footprint that spans 34 U.S. states. It also distributes branded and unbranded petroleum for motor vehicles to over 1,800 locations. Now, in 2023, it distributed more than 1 billion gallons of fuel. It also operates 7 convenience stores at more than 250 locations across 10 states, mostly in the eastern U.S. The site offers food, various essentials, and car washes. Some locations are also paired with prominent national brands such as Arby's, Dunkin', and Subway. Partnership has well-established relationships with several major oil companies, including Exxon, BP, Shell, and I think Marathon.
Speaking of convenience stores, CrossAmerica's retail profits jumped 24% in the third quarter of this year.
Yeah, for the third quarter ended September 30th, CrossAmerica Partners reported net income of $10.7 million, which was down from $12.3 million in the same period last year. But as you noted, the retail segment performed well, with gross profits increasing 24% to $83.6 million. The wholesale segment, though, declined 16% to $27.6 million. Reported adjusted EBITDA of $43.9 million, which was down again slightly from $44.2 million in the third quarter of 2023. Distributable cash flow, which is important, of course, for dividends, was $27.1 million.
Like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, this company has been able to maintain a quarterly distribution of 52.5 cents per unit. What else is happening here?
Thanks to the company's stable cash flow from real estate rental income and motor fuel distribution, it's been able to provide investors with a reliable high-yield dividend. Most recently, in October, it declared a dividend of 52.5 cents per share, or $2.10 per share on an annual basis, for a forward yield of 10.3%. Now, that distribution is safe. Company targets a coverage ratio of 1.2 times. Coverage ratio for the trailing 12 months ended September 30th, 2024 was, I think it was 1.26 times.
How is the CAPL stock looking?
The outlook for CAPL stock remains resilient and has rebounded after being hammered this past May, following weaker than expected first quarter results. Before reporting actually its financial results in May, CAPL stock was trading near record levels. As of this recording, CAPL stock is up 14% over the last 6 months. While CAPL units have made strong gains since May, they still need to climb an additional roughly 18% to hit their January 2024 high of $24.19 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, CrossAmerica Partners LP is a great energy stock that provides investors with long-term share appreciation and a reliable inflation-crushing dividend. It reported strong third quarter results, continues to have a strong balance sheet, and maintain its ultra-high dividend distribution too. And with high insider ownership of 52.4%, the company is incentivized to deliver strong results. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.